It just feels like it does the work for you.
What's going on, YouTube? So before we get into the video, I just wanted to take a second to say thank you so much to everyone for the support. I've only been doing YouTube now for a month, and I did not expect at all to have this kind of progress, I guess you could say. Just the amount of comments alone, like forget the views, the comments alone is just, it's really blowing me away. So I really just wanted to say thank you and let you guys know that I have a lot of plans for the channel that involve me just getting my own space to make content, you know, outside of work, because at work, obviously, all I do is paint, but I have experience doing a lot more than just paint. It'd be pretty cool, you know, to have space to do whatever I want or whatever you guys want me to do. With that being said, it's Friday. It's just about the end of the day. I'm shooting my last round. So I figured let's have a little fun. It's the last round, it's Friday. So I'm gonna be shooting my Clearcoat with my base gun because this is like my favorite gun in the whole world. I can shoot a job, sealer, base, and clear, everything with this one gun. And it's just a really, really, really good gun. I could shoot metallics with it, and I could shoot a thick 2-to-1 clear with it. There's nothing this gun can't do how it came out of the box. I haven't changed a thing about it, and there's no need to. Got everything in there all based out. I'm gonna mix up some clear, and then I'll take you guys in the booth. And real quick, one more time, thank you so much, because it means the world to me. It really does. Okay, so here's what we're shooting today. We got a hood, bumper, and a fender. And I realized I didn't mention in the mixing room what gun this is. So this is an Iwata LS 400 Series 2. This is the limited edition one, but it's the same thing as any LS. This one's just a different color. It comes with the 1.3 tip on it. And yeah, that's it. This is all factory. This is all how the gun came. So whatever cap this is, I don't even know. I'm not gonna be able to hold the phone while I clear the hood. So I'm gonna set it up over there for you guys to watch the hood. And then I'll pick it up and record it like, you know, POV for the hood and the for the bumper and the fender.
I'm pretty sure this is just the best paint gun ever created. It just feels like it does the work for you. Like with my DV1, I feel like I really gotta put in effort to get a nice finish. I gotta tweak the gun, change the cap, do this, do that, play with the pressure. I don't even know what pressure I'm shooting this thing at right now. I got no gauge on it. But you know what? I don't even have to know what pressure I'm shooting it at, because it just lays it down for me. Let's see if I got enough clear in here for this fender. I don't know. Yeah, probably do. Alright, so that's our first coat with our base gun / sealer gun. I think, you know what, I'll talk about this. We're going to go in the paint room. While I mix up clear, I want to mention something to you guys about this gun.
Now, while I mix up clear for the second coat, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe the only difference between an LS and a WS 400 is the fan pattern. On the WS, it's wider. I think it has it might have a 1/4 tip, but you could buy a 1/4 tip. So if I put the 1/4 tip from the WS on my LS, do I have a WS now? If anyone knows the answer to that, I'd really appreciate it. Okay, second coat.
Okay, that's our second coat on the hood. Thing's looking like $1 million. right, just got to do the fender, and that'll be it. Everything flash off, and then right before I bake it, I'll show you guys how it looks. All right, we're back. Everything's flashed off. I mean, the gun is unbelievable. It really is. Like I said before, my DV1, which is meant for clear, I feel like I really have to work to get the finish that I'm going for with it. Don't get me wrong. If you got the DV1 dialed in, you could lay that paint flat. But even when you got it dialed in, you still have to put in an effort to get the finish you're looking for. With this gun, it does it for you. I use this gun for sealer. I use this gun for base. You could even use this gun for clear coat. I mean, just look at how it lays the clear down. So if you never used an Iwata, if you never had an LS, or if you're on the market for a paint gun and you don't have one, this should be the next gun on your list to purchase. And I know they're a little expensive, but I mean, they're worth it. You know, you get what you pay for, you really do. Anyway, this one was just for fun, guys. It's Friday, last round, ready to go home. Just wanted to make something different, mess around a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I appreciate you. If you enjoyed the video, if you got any value out of it, if I entertained you at all, please like, comment, maybe subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you.